In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an abandoned cart email on Mailchimp to recover a lost customer. Let's begin by heading over to mailchimp.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar. You'll want to navigate directly to the integration section. This is crucial for connecting your e-commerce platform with Mailchimp if you haven't done so already. If your store appears disconnected, follow the instructions to establish a connection. Essentially, this setup is about integrating your store so Mailchimp can synchronize all necessary information, including products, customer lists, and order data. Once your integration is successful, Mailchimp will automatically sync with your store, capturing valuable store data that will inform your email strategies. Next, let's move on to the Automations tab. Here, you'll select all journeys. You now have a choice: either build your campaign from scratch or select a pre-made template. For our purposes, it's often easier and quicker to choose from a pre-made template. This way, you can leverage Mailchimp's expertise in designing layouts and flows that work. Now, within the options that appear, go to e-commerce and select the abandoned cart email. Your next step is to set the abandoned cart as the trigger, ensuring that your email is sent automatically when a customer leaves items in their cart without completing the purchase. It prompts the system to take action based on customer behavior, increasing the likelihood of recovering the sale. It's important to adjust the waiting period. Common choices are to send the email after 1 hour, 4 hours, or 24 hours, depending on what fits your marketing strategy best. Remember, timing can be crucial in catching a shopper's attention before they lose interest or make a purchase elsewhere. Once your triggers and timing are set, it's time to customize the steps to align with your brand's voice and strategy. Now click on the email step in the automation process. Following that, you'll want to select Design Email. Here you'll fill in details like the campaign name. Think of something recognizable for your team. The subject line should be engaging and inviting, with phrases like "Oops, you left something behind," or "Your cart misses you," to gently remind the customer of their incomplete purchase. Selecting a template comes next. Mailchimp offers a variety of pre-made templates specifically for abandoned cart emails. These save time while still providing a professional look. Finally, make sure to double check all your settings, ensuring everything is as desired. Once satisfied, click Start Journey or Turn On to activate your email automation. By following these steps, you're prepared to seamlessly set up abandoned cart emails in Mailchimp, nudging potential sales back on track and engaging effectively with your customers. Happy emailing!